2014 to 2019 Toyota Corolla with shifting problems can only start while it's in neutral or not starting at all. I'm going to show you how to fix it. We have a Corolla. It's in P, but the light is not on here for P, and it doesn't show P in the dash. But if we put it in reverse, and if we wiggle it around, it'll start. Again, we put it back in P, no start. So let's see what's going on under the hood here. All right, what we do is we need to disconnect the battery. We need to take off this air filter housing. Take off the underside of the air filter housing. And then we have the neutral safety switch here. It's attached by a cable that when you push to park, it pushes this thing here. See the problem? You push the cable and it needs to go down. The cable only goes this far, but it needs to go down here for P. So this cable needs to be adjusted. It's not always this neutral safety switch. If we still adjust it and it still doesn't start, then it's a neutral safety switch. But let's try to adjust the cable first. Alright, so we pry out this part here, loosen it. Pry out this part here. Just use your fingers to pull it out. And then, as soon as I get this off. Alright, so we just shift this down here, get out of the way, and then let's pull it out. And then let's take off these two screws here and here. After taking those screws off, it just slides back out here. And then let's go down here, and we see this thing here. This is the adjustment right there. See this? We need to give it, move this part all the way down here. I just pulled this thing out here, and then we need to turn this so it's all the way like that, and then we need to keep it so it's the same direction this way. So now I need to move it so it can fit in there, and then push it back in. All right, it's in now. Okay, and then now we'll put it back in the park position, and then we put it back in the park. Let's see what it does. Remember before, when we were in park, it didn't go all the way down. Remember before? Now it does. So I think we're almost there. All right, let's go back inside the car now. All right, you'll see that even though it's in the end position here, the light's not on. You know the switch is on. So go here. I loosen this bolt and this bolt here, and let's adjust it real quick. Let's turn it a little bit like that, and let's see if the light's back on the neutral part here, and we see that the neutral light is on. All right, that's where we want it. So I'll go back and tighten these screws now here. That one there. You don't want to tighten it too much because it's a small screw. Small screws are not meant to be tightened that much. We tighten that screw up, and then we're back here. We're still at P. N, it still starts. All right, now let's push it back to P here. And and it starts still. All right, so that's it. There you have it. That's how you adjust the neutral safety switch, the cable, and then the neutral safety switch itself to make sure the lights are on and when it's supposed to be in, and when it's on P. And thank you for watching, and hopefully you learned something about how to adjust your neutral safety switch and shift cable in your 2014 and 2019 Toyota Corolla.